Today we're going to be taking a look at a new way to control your lights, as well as the best way to shop for the holidays. Also, we're going to announce the winner of the October giveaway and be letting you know about the November giveaway as well. Now there's a new way to light your home. Normally, light strips have a remote, but with this new controller, you can use an app for your phone or tablet that will allow you to make changes to the colors wherever you want. Not to mention that since it's connected to your Wi-Fi network, you can set it up to work with assistant devices like Google Home or Amazon Alexa to use your voice to change the colors. You can group lights together and then turn them all on without lifting a finger. It's the easiest way to control your lights. If you've been to our website recently, you probably noticed our holiday gift guide. It's the easiest way to find the perfectly priced gifts for your friends and family. We have 4 different categories: under $20, $20 to $50, $50 to $100, and over $100. Plus, if you want to save even more, you can use the promo code 25web at checkout to save an additional $25 off of any $250 or more purchase. Happy shopping! Now, I know why you all are here. You want to see if you're the new owner of this Timpano 800-watt 4-channel car amplifier. Well, if you are, Benjamin Baird from Fernley, Nevada, congratulations, it's you! We will be in contact soon. Now don't be too disappointed if you didn't win the October giveaway. The November one has already started. Head over to the site now or check the description of this video for an opportunity to win a full bundle of 10-channel silent disco headphones from Talent. Come back next month to see if you're the big winner. And until then, shh.